Hello, and I welcome you back to my channel. If this is your first time here, I welcome you. On this channel, we create things to not only encourage self-care, but to make it easier to maintain it. Let's create together. In the part of Canada that I live in, summer is long gone, fall is here, and the temperatures have really started to drop. Well, my skin is now really starting to feel the cold. And what I found in winters past is that the face oil that I would wear, usually around the spring and the summer, was not enough in the winter to provide me with enough protection. I needed something a little bit thicker. I needed something that would not only penetrate the skin, but would coat the skin, provide a nice barrier against the harsh weather, mainly the cold. I was initially using shea butter on its own, which is fine. Shea butter is actually a really good, strong butter for protecting the skin. But I decided to make something a little bit more rich, something that had more ingredients. I combined some oils just to not only help protect the skin, but to help hydrate the skin, nourish, and heal. And so today we are going to be making a face butter. To create our face butter, you're going to need a few simple ingredients. You're going to need a base, you're going to need oil, and if you like, something to scent it. So for my base, I have two. I am using shea butter. So this is 100% shea butter. I am also going to be using calendula butter. For my oils, I will be using jojoba oil, tomato seed oil, and black currant seed oil. And to round out my face butter, I will be using bergantine-free bergamot essential oil. In addition, you're also going to need a jar to put your face butter in, a measuring cup, and a chopstick for stirring, as well as measuring spoons. And here I have 1 tablespoon and half a teaspoon. I also have a spatula to help me take out my butters. Let's begin. So we start with half a cup, or about 125 ml when it's melted, but because it's solid, we measure it in cups and grams. Half a cup of shea butter. Drop that shea butter there. And I have here 2 tablespoons of calendula butter. Not only do these 2 ingredients, which is the shea butter and the calendula butter, serve as moisture for our skin and help to really protect our skin against the cold, but shea butter helps to heal the skin. It also is anti-inflammatory, so it can help soothe the skin. Perhaps if you have any redness of the skin, it can also help to fight breakouts. The calendula butter is known as nature's band-aid, and therefore will help with any micro tears you have in your skin. It will help to heal that. It will also help to soothe the skin. In addition to its high antioxidant value, tomato seed will protect, tone, and help the elasticity of the skin. And we are going to be using 1 tablespoon here. And don't worry, it will not turn your skin red. Another oil high in antioxidants is black currant seed oil. It actually helps give the skin the ability to heal and repair itself. This is why you find it in so many skin formulations for eczema and psoriasis. And we are going to be using half a teaspoon of black currant seed oil. To finish off our carrier oils, we are going to be adding 2 tablespoons of jojoba oil. Jojoba is the oil that best mimics or matches our own skin oil. And because of that, it helps to control the oil production on our face. 1 and 2. We have all our ingredients in our measuring cup. And so from here, you have two options. You can either place your measuring cup in the microwave to melt your ingredients, or use the double boiler method on the stove. I'm going to be using the stove. Our oil is all melted, and now we will be pouring it into our jar. Our oil is nice and warm, and what a treat it would be to moisturize the skin with this warmth. However, if you are not ready to moisturize your skin, you can place your jar in the fridge and allow it to cool overnight. I had placed my face butter in the fridge and I was tidying up when I realized that I had not scented my face butter. And so I had pulled it back out, and here we are. I have here bergamot essential oil, and it's bergaptine free, meaning that the bergaptine has been taken out so it won't cause photosensitivity. Bergamot is a citrus. Bergamot essential oil is excellent for helping heal scars, which will provide you with smoother and more radiant looking skin. So I've added 10 drops of bergamot essential oil to my formulation, and now I'm going to put it back into the fridge. It hasn't been 24 hours, but I thought I would take the face butter out to show you what it looks like. It's a beautiful golden color, and the top is nice and firm. However, if I put my finger on top, you're going to notice that it easily slides around and there's that sheen. And that's just my body heat melting the butter. And so it'll do the same on your face. To use it, all you do is you apply the oil. I'm just going to scoop a little bit with the back of my hand. And if you notice, it's already melting on my skin. And then you just apply it. And that smell of bergamot essential oil really comes through. It's not overpowering. Our shea face butter is excellent for all skin types. It's also really good for protecting the skin, providing the skin with moisture, healing the skin, and nourishing. Here is to a beautiful face all winter long. And here we are. This is our shea butter, face butter, or just shea face butter. That works better. Thank you so much for watching. And if you like this video, hit that like button and subscribe and click on that notification bell. We will create next time.